take a look at this sheet. The one is before conditional formatting and second is after conditional formatting. And comment below which one is more informative and smart Excel sheet. So let's start it. This is the employee dataset. In today's video, I will work with this dataset and will turn this simple Excel sheet to a formatted and a smart Excel sheet using these tricks. So watch till end this video because in the end I will give you a bonus tip. So let's start. The first one is highlight high sales target above 45,000. Simple. We need to highlight this target wherever the target is 45,000 or above. That's simple. So select this column and go to home tab, and here you will get the conditional formatting highlight sales rule. Here you can see greater than, less than, between, equal to, and all. For now I need to format this target column for above 55,000. Write 45,000, and you can see there are some default formatting options like light red, fill with dark red text, yellow, and so on. But I will show you custom formatting. Here you can see the font color and fill. Let's change the fill color from red to something all. So let's choose green here and fill with white font color. Just click OK and you got this, right? And here you can easily find the target above 45,000. Now it's time to highlight the duplicate employee ID. Okay, let's complete it. Let it be highlight. Next one is find duplicate employee ID. So employee ID, select the employee ID column and go to again conditional formatting, highlight sale rules, and you will see in the last duplicate values. Just click OK and you will find the employee ID has been highlighted. Only duplicate employee ID. Click OK. So here you can see employee 103 has two IDs here. One of Aman and second one of Rohit. This is duplicate. Now next, move to data bars. So for data bars, I will use this column monthly sales. Select this column, go to home and conditional formatting, and here you will see data bars. There are gradient fill also and solid fill. So for here I will selecting the gradient fill. You can choose this option. Everything I'm doing in this sheet has significance, like for data bars. So see these data bars and tell me without seeing the numbers which employee has the highest monthly sales. You can simply answer Arjun because its data bars length is longer. And which one has lowest monthly sale? You can easily find Neha because it has shorter data length and data bar length. Right now, next move to color scales. Okay, so for this I will use this performance column. Select this performance column and go to conditional formatting. Here you can see color scales. Okay, so for now I'm using this green, yellow, red color scales. So green is for a higher performance or higher value, and yellow for average value, and red for lower values. And it will use gradient, so you can just click and see the result. So you get this like in using some simple tricks. These 4 tricks, I converted the normal Excel sheet into a smart, formatted and informative Excel sheet, right? So now it's time to give you a bonus tip. So the bonus tip is like you want to change this color, right? Just select this column and go to conditional formatting. You no need to delete this column and change the formatting. You just need to go to If you want to delete, you just clear rules from selected cells, right? But here there is another option, manage rules. Go to manage rules and you will see this. You can change the color here. How? So just go to edit rule. There is a formatting. You can go this and change the fill option to blue if you want, and just click OK, right? And apply and OK. So you did this using simple steps. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And also let me know in the comments which trick was your favorite. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.